Hey there, road warriors. Thinking about upgrading your rig or starting fresh in 2026? The truck you choose can make or break your business. From reliability to resale value, your choice is a multi-thousand-dollar gamble. Today, we're separating the winners from the junk. The 2026 market is wild. Manufacturers are pushing high-tech sensors and EV tech, but not all of it is road-ready. We've analyzed mechanic reports and owner reviews to bring you the 2 best and 2 worst trucks for 2026. Let's dive in. First on the avoid list for 2026, the International LT with the S13 powertrain. While they promise efficiency, drivers are reporting teething issues with the new integrated system. Electrical gremlins and DEF sensor failures are causing too much unscheduled downtime. Unless you love sitting in a repair lounge, be careful with this one. Next up is the 2026 Freightliner Cascadia. Now don't get me wrong, it's the Ford Taurus of trucks. Parts are everywhere. But the newest sensor-heavy models are driving owners crazy. From ghost-braking issues to water-leaking cab lights that fry electronics, the quality control hasn't kept up with the technology. It's a gamble your wallet might not want to take. Now for the winners. Our top pick for 2026 is the all-new Volvo VNL. This isn't just a facelift, it's a revolution. With a 10% boost in fuel economy and the industry-leading I-Shift transmission, it's a driver's dream. It's quiet, aerodynamic, and has the best safety tech on the market. If you want comfort and MPG, this is your rig. Second on the best list, the Kenworth T680, known as the world's best for a reason. The 2026 model with the PACCR MX-13 engine is a real liability beast. It holds its resale value better than almost anything else. It's the perfect balance of aerodynamics and that premium feel that makes owner-operators proud. Choosing the right truck depends on your route. If you're doing heavy hauls in the mountains, the Kenworth's torque is king. If you're OTR chasing fuel bonuses, the Volvo VNL is your best friend. Always check the service records and never skip a pre-purchase inspection by a third-party mechanic. It's your livelihood on the line. Whether you're sticking with a classic or going for the latest tech, 2026 is a year for smart buyers. Your truck is your office, your home, and your bank account. Make sure it works as hard as you do. Stay safe out there and keep those wheels turning. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more USA trucking updates. See you in the next one.